everyone, I am Monday Trazo-Buntod, Abyss IT DIT Cosmetology Section 1 to 5, first year student at Bohol State University Main Campus, Tagbilaran City, CITES Department. And I am here to tackle about the hair coloring services and sports. So, part of the hair coloring services is analyzing the client's hair physiology. And hair analysis is an important element of our client consultation, helping you to determine the condition of the hair and scalp. So, hair is composed of three major components: the cuticle, the cortex, and the medulla. So, cuticle, the outermost, protects the interior cortex and contributes up to 20% of overall strength of the hair. Next is the cortex, middle layer, so gives the hair majority of its strength and elasticity. Lastly is the medulla, innermost layer of the hair. It is sometimes absent from the hair and does not play a role in the coloring. So, texture. We have to test the texture. So, hair texture is the diameter of single strand of the hair. So, there are three types of texture: the coarse, medium, and fine. So, coarse is the large diameter, medium is the medium diameter, and fine is the small diameter. So, melanin is distributed according to hair structure. So, fine hair means that melanin granules are tightly grouped, take color faster and darker. Then, next is the medium hair and average reaction to hair color. Coarse hair, melanin granules are loosely grouped, meaning color takes longer to process. So, hair density refers to the number of hairs per square inch. It can range from thin to thick, must be considered to ensure proper coverage. So, next is porosity. We have to check the hair porosity. If it's low, the cuticle is tight, hair is resistant, and requires longer processing time. Average porosity, cuticle is slightly raised, hair is normal, and processes in average. If the hair has high porosity, the cuticle is lifted. Hair takes color quickly, also tends to fade quickly. There are types of tests you should do before doing a treatment or hair coloring, and this is the porosity test, diameter test, elasticity test, allergy alert test, and incompatibility test. So that are the tests that you should do before your client wants to get hair color, so that you should know that if the hair of your client is reacting to any allergies or any reaction to the chemicals that you use to your client. So, next is identifying natural color. So, natural color hair range from black to dark brown and from dark blonde to light blonde. So, there are three types of melanin in the cortex. The eumelanin, so lends black and brown color to the hair. Pheomelanin gives hair blonde and red colors, and mixed melanin combination contains both eumelanin and pheomelanin. So, contributing pigment is also known as undertone, varying degrees of warmth exposed during the permanent or color lightening process. So, There are level system of your hair color. So the level system is used by colorists on determining the lightness or darkness of your client's hair. So 1 is the darkest and 10 is the lightest. So on identifying the natural color level of your client's hair, you should take a half inch square section of the crown area and hold it up from the scalp, allowing light to pass through it. Next is use the natural level finder swatch provided by the manufacturer. Selected the swatch you think swatches and place it against the hair. So next is move the swatch from the scalp along the hair strand, and lastly determine the natural hair color level. So hair color selection. My last topic, color theory. Color is described as the property of objects that is depend on the reflect and is perceived by human eyes as red, green, and other shades. So the base color is predominant tone color. So there are law of colors. Law of color, the system for understanding color relationship. When combining colors, you will always get the same result for the same combination. And so here we are at the primary colors. Primary colors are pure or fundamental colors. Colors with predominance of blue are cool, while colors with predominance of red, yellow are warm colors. So blue is the strongest primary colors, can bring depth of darkness to any color. Next is red, medium primary color, adding to blue base color makes them appear lighter. Adding to yellow makes them appear darker. Next is yellow, the weakest primary color, and when added to other colors they will appear lighter and brighter. When all the three primary colors are present in equal portion, the result of color is brown. So secondary colors are colors obtained by mixed equal parts of two primary colors. The secondary colors are green, orange, and violet. Tertiary colors are intermediate colors achieved by mixing a secondary color and its neighboring primary color on the color wheel in equal parts. Natural looking color is made up of combination of primary colors, secondary, and tertiary colors. Last is the complementary colors. Complementary colors are primary and secondary colors positioned directly opposite to each other on the color wheel. Blue and orange, red and green, and yellow and violet. So, and that is all for my topic of hair coloring services. Thank you.